up, guys? Welcome back to the video, and today we are continuing our series of PC Building Simulator. As you can see, we're in game right now and we're gonna start our career. Continue it. Sorry, it's not new game, it's continue. Let's continue with our career of PC building. Okay, so do we have any orders due? Right, we need to accept them first. So this is gonna be quite loud here because it's, oh god, way too loud. I don't know why the wallpaper is so, yeah, I don't know why it's like that. Let's just get myself a, there we go, pro gamer. Hot and broken. Okay, so okay, we can accept this one, we can accept this one, we can accept this one. So I have a budget of 10 bucks. Okay. Replace air cooler. Okay. Upgrade to 16 gigs. PC sats. Okay, so 16 gigs. So I have, you see, she has 2 gigs. So you could just get, yeah, we'll see. Help quickly remove viruses. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, they're all in transit, so we can just power off the PC and see when they arrive. Sorry guys if the audio is a bit, poppy. I don't know why I said that, but it could be like that because my pop filter, actually, I disconnected it and I have it somewhere in my room right now, but I'm not sure where. So I have headphones. Okay, so first, what do? We'll take this. Oh yeah, it's a scan, so it's not that much. It's a virus scan. So what we'll do here is we'll connect the cables. So all we need to do, so it can boot. That's good. Let's just connect the HDMI to the graphics card and connect it to here. There we go. We have connected it. There we go. Let's wait till it. Yeah, there we go. That's gonna be way too loud. Yeah, there we go. It has loaded up. Talk about a. Never mind. Alright, we have to insert a flash drive. Okay, so install USB drive. There we go. So add or remove programs. That would be virus scanner. Installing. It's installing. There. Give it a minute. Yes, restart. Oh god, it's too loud. Okay, it's gonna restart in a minute here. Okay. Okay, there we go. We can move here now. Okay, now let's get the virus scanner. Start scanning. That's a lot of infected files, clean files. Computer is protected. Usually it does not take that fast in real life, But, yeah. Crap, I forgot it's that loud. Okay, so yeah, it's ready to boot. Just disable it right there. Unplug the, yeah, why am I unplugging now? I'll just take it like that and put it right there. So fix this one. That's not, oh god, ew, it's, can't wash that. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, probably gotta remove the side panel because I can't even wash that. You see, that's what I don't understand about this game. This game is pretty realistic, but see, there was like a pull thingy that you can pull and it, yeah, never mind. And it like opens the case, but you still have to unscrew some stuff. Yeah, so I'm blowing out dust here. Okay, case and the motherboard. Okay, motherboard itself. Okay, clean out dust done. remove. Okay, so replace air cooler. What we're gonna do is it's a Motortoni Thermal 100. What do I need to remove? Okay, unplug it. I'm gonna unplug it first, and there we go. We have removed the air cooler. Now if I press this, press I to see cooler, CPU cooling. So Motortoni Thermal 100. Okay, Thermal 100. Yeah, that does not look too good. It's broken, as you can see. I'm probably gonna need to boot my PC. Please be quiet, please be quiet, please be quiet. There we go. Sorry, that's my own screen. Yeah, he saw me put it on. Okay, well, yes, I am, but... And yes, I am, but I'm looking for the air cooler. How many? I have a budget of $10. Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to do that for you, but let's get to the shop. Let's go. So $10, so that's not that good. CPU cooling. Oh, just right. Oh, $30. Dang it. Oh, that'll be 20. Crap. I forgot. 110. You know, oh, crap. I don't mind. 3 to 5 working days. And upgrade to 16 gigs. And I forgot, what's the... Okay, email. Help quickly. Okay, 16 gigs, $40. We'll click the shop, and memory. We'll get a... Ah, crap. I don't know if it's DDR4 or is it DDR... DDR crap. I was gonna say, so it needs a... What are the parts right now? Yeah, I'm probably gonna need to look at in the email stuff. PC stats. So it has a Motortoni. No, that's the wrong thing. Okay, there we go. Value and value supreme. Okay, that's nice, but okay, so Motortoni value supreme. Okay, Motortoni. So that's DDR4. That should be perfect. So remember, I need a DDR4 RAM type. Need 16 gigs, so that's 8 gigs, 4 gigs, 2 gigs, 16 gigs, 130. Oh. Guess it's not. I guess it's what it's gotta cost. Oh crap! I don't know. What's my stuff on my daughter's PC? This one, 140. And how much does this cost? 140, 160. Crap. So I'm probably gonna 35 working days by now. So we have exactly the budget. And I'm gonna leave workshop for so end day, skip day, skip. There we go. Let's go to work. There we go. We have our boxes. Nice. And let's upgrade this. Okay, so let's power off my PC. So what we needed to do is get the air cooler, install CPU cooling. I'm gonna sell this one, and I'm gonna get this one and install it here. Now there's literally let's just connect it here to the motherboard right there. Perfect. And you know, we should install the side panel, of course. Side panel. Okay, done. And done. Cables. Of course, 2 USBs. And that should be good. Let's power it up. Oh, quiet. Okay, there we go. It's not, would have been louder. Okay, that's a nice background as well. Boots to OS, all good. Now let's get it and deliver our work. Now, which one was the, okay, so this is the upgrade. Okay, so that's pretty clean. So I have 140 bucks for the budget. Okay. Seriously, I used your I have 140 bucks remaining. Never mind, I'm gonna use my own. You know, what I can tell him is that I use his whole budget. And that's kind of what I would do in real life, to be honest. 16 gigs, so we're just gonna remove that. And remove that RAM. We're gonna install memory, 16 gigs, and we're gonna install it right there. There we go, done. We're gonna install the side panel. And there we go. And we're just gonna, oh right, we have to plug it in first. You know, this plugging in thing here is pretty annoying, but when you get used to it, honestly, it's fine. Okay, connected. Now we just power it on, and we go away. Dark corner of my room. I hate how loud it is. Okay. There we go. Boots to OS, and we can deliver the work. So we have basically everything here from those. So everything I have to do here is clean it out. Ah, crap. I missed the end day. Crap. Okay. What I need to do, I'm gonna remove the side panel. Okay, removed. Now I need the compressed air and quickly blow it here. Clean. Okay, it's pretty clean, I would say myself. PC parts, side panel. Install. Okay. By the way, guys, while I'm doing this here, gonna remind you, just, you could just, go into Instagram and, type in this right here, down here, and that would be amazing. Or Twitter, follow me on Twitter. I post funny stuff like memes that I find on different subreddits, and I just copy, and I actually, like, tell everybody who the creator of the meme is, and go run. Oh, almost. Okay, it wasn't that loud. Oh. Battlefield. Permission denied. Warcry. Permission denied. 2 meters. End of the year. Okay, everything is permission denied. Okay, your permission denied. I'm not gonna deliver your work. Just kidding. Okay, so this is upgrade. Actually, what I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna, there we go. And it has uploaded. Gonna deliver. Okay, so collect. Oh, I have already fixed that. Oh crap, are you telling me I missed my end date? Crap. Wait. Is it still here? Please. You took my oh, no, never mind. You took my money. It is kind of, you know. Upgrade to 16 gigs of RAM. Rent. Crap, I just used most of my money. Go to PC. Need this one. 16 gigs of RAM. Do I have any? I have no budget, you're telling me. Budget 200 bucks. So, okay. What I could do is okay, I need to go to my PC. I'm just gonna keep it running, you know, because it's way too loud just to do like memory. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm probably gonna get these 16 gigs of RAM here. Add to cart, 150. So if I get this, so how much is it gonna cost? 250, 180. So next day delivery. So we're just gonna, you know, go here and day. Go to work. Okay. We're gonna collect this and we're gonna go work on the PC. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove this case part. This is a really easy upgrade even in real life. This is a fairly realistic game here, I would say. But since we're only doing the RAM, it's pretty easy. We just remove that. Get the new RAM, or is it memory? There we go. So I have DDR4 8 gig used. I'm just gonna get this 16 gig in here. Install. What we're gonna need is PC parts, side panel, and screw those in. There we go. So now I need to check if it boots to the OS. Let's just plug those in. Perfect. Now we press P and run. Look at how much money I lost. Okay, never mind, you know. Okay, so work. Parts 150 and I got $50 out of those parts. Place in delivery area. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press P to power you off. Take that PC. Put it in there. Computer. Email. Okay. Collect. I got 283, so I got 740 bucks out of that. We just turned off that PC, and guys, that's it for the first part. No, this is the second. No, first. No, yeah, first part. Where's the second? I don't remember. It was at the beginning, but this is the end of this part of PC building. I don't have a name for it. Please comment down below if you have a name for it. If you watched the whole video, that is awesome. And if you didn't, I don't know what to say. You're probably not watching this. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.